In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Dead Eye on Red Dead Redemption 2 online on the PlayStation 4. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to easily use Dead Eye, but keep in mind that this will change depending on the level of Dead Eye that you have. The more you level up Dead Eye, the more targets you will be able to aim at and shoot automatically. But this is going to work regardless of the level that you have. I just wanted to bring it up that the more you level, the better that eye is going to be. The process is exactly the same. So first, make sure that it is unlocked, and second, all that you have to do to actually use it is first aim at your target with L2. So hold down L2 and you will be able to aim at your target. Once you have them in your sights, click R3 to activate Dead Eye. This will let you use Dead Eye while holding down L2 to aim. So this is all you have to do. Aim at your target and then press R3. Immediately upon pressing R3, you will unleash the shots. You can use R2 at the end. Now, if you are having trouble doing this, make sure that they are inside of your sights, make sure that you have Dead Eye properly unlocked, and you will be able to aim using L2 and then hit R3. Now, keep in mind that, like I said, you will be able to unleash more shots if you have Dead Eye leveled up, or if you wait until the Dead Eye meter to expire, it will also shoot automatically. You can paint targets with R1, but this is only going to work if you have upgraded Dead Eye. Otherwise, it is going to automatically paint the targets for you as you scroll through the crosshair while aiming at them. So just make sure that you aim at your target and you will be able to scroll the crosshair towards them and press R3 to fire using Dead Eye on the PlayStation 4. It is extremely straightforward and this is all you have to do. If you are having trouble, check to see if your button inputs are being registered. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Dead Eye on Red Dead Redemption 2 online on the PlayStation 4. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.